Hello roadies! Today is another Foodie Friday, and we just wanted to share with you one of our favorite camp meals that we like to do. That is great to do at family reunions and big crowds because they can be able to do it all themselves. It's called Make Your Own Omelet in a Bag. Now there's some controversy with this method that we use because we use the Ziploc freezer bags, and there's been a lot of people saying that there could be some toxic chemicals that are emitted through those bags when they're boiled in the water. But we've been doing this for over 20 years and we have never gotten sick. We've never had any symptoms of it. And since it's only in the water for like 10 minutes or so, then we just haven't felt the danger of doing this. Yes, we tried the steamable bags and that kind of thing, but they have too many holes in them. And when you're putting them in the boiling water, then it gets inside the bag and just makes the whole thing gross. So we just stuck with the Ziploc bags. And so I don't need to hear any snarky comments on how we're endangering people's lives and stuff like that. If you don't feel like you want to do it, then that's up to you. But we're just sharing with you what we like to do, and then you can make that own decision for yourself. Summer, did you like those eggs when we were done?
Yes, and I like them, and then I did throw up.
You didn't throw up?
No.
Were you worried you were going to throw up? No, I didn't think you did. She had a lot of fun doing it, squishing that bag, and you'll be able to see on the video how she was able to take part in it and do it herself, and she just thought that was a blast.
And then I mush it.
Mush it, mush it, mush it. Yep.
With my hand.
That's right.
And then that's playing hot, but Papa Dog's dirty.
Yeah, sometimes you get dirty when you're cooking on the Camp Chef, huh?
Yes, and naughty full, and then my papa said that.
That's okay. Alright, so we'll let you watch the videos. These are little snippets of the process that we did. And then you can make the decision of yourself if you want to go ahead and try this recipe. Or if not, just go ahead and enjoy what we did and then make your own decision. So, yes, remember to click that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and remember to always take the scenic route. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Okay, so I started with the controversial slider zipper bags, and I used the frozen or freezer variety, because they're just a little bit thicker and they hold up better in the boiling water. Then I cracked 2 eggs because this is going to be Summer's. She won't eat more than 2. And I put them in the bag. And now she's going to tell me what she wants in the bag as well.
I want bacon.
So, Summer, you want bacon?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you come, you bring the bag over here, and you scoop up some bacon, and you stick it in the bag. How much do you want? Do you want more than that?
5.
5? Yeah. Oops, that missed, huh? There. We should not use fingers, honey. There, that looks good. Okay, do you want some ham? We got sliced ham? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to put some ham in there.
1, then
2?
2.
Okay.
And that's it.
Alright, and do you want some peppers and onions?
Yeah, I don't want onions. I want pepper.
You want the black pepper, but you don't want these peppers?
No.
Okay, you want the black pepper? Hold the bag open for me. Okay, and I'll shake in the pepper. Shake, 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 shake. Good job. Okay. You don't want cheese, do you?
No.
Okay, Summer is not a cheese fan. How about the spinach? Would you like spinach in it? Yes? Okay, I'll bring it back over here. She's gonna help herself to the spinach.
1.
1.
Ah, that's a heavy one. I poured it in.
Okay.
Whoa, that's a lot. Please go.
And 2. Good job.
And that
Okay. Yeah. So next what we do is we zip up the bag.
Here, I slip
Okay,
it.
you zip it up. Summer's gonna zip it up for us. Zip. Okay, now start squishing it all together. Get those stuff mixed all in. Squish, 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 squish. Squish all over. Break up the egg yolks. Mix it all around. Don't be shy. Just start scrunching it really fast and hard. Yep, you just mix it all up as best as you can. Yep. This is great to do at family reunions because the kids get involved and they just think it's so fun to make their own omelets. And they can put anything they want in it. Squish, squish. Okay, let me take a look. Let me take a look and see how it is. Okay, we'll shake it all up a little bit. See how it looks mixed. And that looks great. So, see, this is what it looks like all mixed up now. So now we just wait for the water to come to a boil, which we have going on the Camp Chef. Right here. Wally's got some hash browns going. Say hi to the roadies.
Hi, roadies.
So we're just waiting for the water to boil. So in the meantime, we'll make up our omelets while we wait, and we'll get back to you. Okay, here are Wally's and my 2 bags ready to go. And the water is just about hot enough to put them in.
And listen, Mom.
Stay tuned. Okay, here the bags are in the boiling water. And we will let them sit in there boiling. Probably takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes depending on how done you want the eggs to be. So we'll just check on it and we'll show you what it looks like as it cooks. Boil and boil and boil. And there's Papa finishing up the hash browns.
That's not hash.
Yes, it's yummy hash browns. We put the rest of the peppers in there that we didn't use in the omelets, and also the rest of the ham cubes. So as you can see, they're getting cooked really well in the boiling water. And what you do occasionally is you lift them up out of the water and you let some air out of the bag and you kind of squish them around a little bit more to make sure the eggs are getting done.
Yeah.
And you put them back in.
Yeah.
Since Summer's only has 2 eggs in it, hers will be done first, I'm sure. So when it's done, we'll pull it out and put it on a plate for you so you can see the results.
Mine.
Okay, here is Summer's plate. Look how good those eggs turned out. She's really excited. And then the hash browns turned out really good too.
And bacon. Too.
Yep, there's bacon in the eggs, huh? Yep.
Thank you.
All right, there you go.
Okay.
All right, finished product. This one's my plate. See how firm I like my eggs? That's the way I prefer them. And then you look over here at Wally's, and his is just not quite as firm, but that's the way he likes it. So, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and remember to Always take the scenic route. See you next time.
See you next time.